Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and today's video is being recorded for Focal Personal Quality Enhancement cells. The purpose of this video tutorial is to provide some guidance on how to analyze the data that is provided by students. So whenever we share links with students, let's say course evaluation or teacher evaluation, so the question arises where we receive the data back, where we receive the responses. So you can come to this. You should be logged in. As you can see, I'm logged in as rustamavalia@gmail.com. So this is Google general purpose search engine. Here, as you can see, here there are 9 dots, Google Apps. So click here, and here is Google Drive. So just click on Google Drives. Once you are in Google Drive, so you can trace your forms. Okay, so let me I'm just clicking, and I'm getting connected. Once I get into the Google Drive, I'll explain further. So usually let me first show you my own forms, how I maintain my data. So here I go to my own computer data. I'm going to share my screen with you. So this is my college, and here you can see I'm just visiting my feedback and evaluation mechanism. This is one of my folders. Okay, so teacher evaluation by students, course, let's say I show you teacher evaluation by students, or you can say course evaluation by students. Okay, so let's click on course evaluation by students. So course evaluation fall 2020 links. So these are the links which I have shared with my students, as you can see. So just a minute, I'm going to show you some links. Let's say we have BS Urdu course evaluation. There is something wrong with it. Let me check. So I usually create links like this. As you can see, teacher evaluation BS English first fall 2020. So the same format I use for every form, like teacher evaluation BS English third fall 2020. So whenever I visit, let me trace it now. So this is Google Drive, and let's say we type course evaluation. Okay, course evaluation BS English, course evaluation sorry teacher evaluation, teacher evaluation BS English, let's say BS English first semester, or you can say fifth semester, fall 2020. After typing this, when you hit the button, and you can see all this will be shown to you. So when you scroll down, you can find teacher evaluation. As you can see, teacher evaluation BS English 5th. Just click on it, and here are the responses. Okay, responses 148. So click on responses. Then this is Google Sheet. Now click on this. Now responses will be available on Google Sheet. Sorry, this is known as Google Sheet. So now convert it into download it into Microsoft Excel. Okay, it will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, I'm going to explain further. Now this is Excel sheet. Now go to Office button and save as. Now I'm going to give it a path, so it will be saved on desktop. As you can see, teacher evaluation BS English 5th fall 2020, responses 4. So after this, now what you have to do, you need to go to the website of Government Postgraduate College number 1 Abbottabad. Okay, as you can see here. So this is the website and QAC software. So after this you can move to teacher evaluation. Okay, because I'm evaluating teachers, so data analysis, click here and now write down the name of your college. Okay, semester 5, as you can see just now I mentioned, let's say fall 2020, department English, QC member 1 me Rustam, QC member 2 Sarimran. Now choose the file. This is very important. Now you have to upload your file. Okay, choose file. So this was the file, as you can see, teacher evaluation BS English 5th. It is lying at my desktop. Okay, so click here. Now click on this option, open. Now it is attached. Now when you click on create analysis report, so report will be generated, as you can see here. Now when you now you need to have a printout, so press Ctrl and P keys on your laptop. So here is a printer attached, so I can print it, otherwise I can convert it into save as PDF. See, save as PDF. So now let me, as you can see, it is available on 2 pages now, because you can even select here, it's a letter size, you can select a legal page. So when you select a legal page or even A4 page, let me select A4 page, so it is on 1 page, as you can see. So click here and save button, so it will be saved. Give it a path. I'm saving it at desktop, so let's say teacher evaluation BS English 5th. This is a path, fall 2020, and save it. So if you want to generate, let's say, let me minimize it. If you want to generate even graphs, as you can see, print graph. Usually I don't print a graph, I just print a PDF file, but you can even print a graph. When you click on this, so you can see teacher evaluation graph, and this graph has been generated only for one teacher, that is Professor Umar, who teaches visionary discourse. So as you can see here, but I think we, instead of generating these graphs, so why not we should see, this is the actual summary of report. So let me magnify it for you. So this is, I think, very good summary. So teachers names are mentioned and the courses are mentioned, and the percentages of the teachers are mentioned here, and this can be printed out, or this can be saved as PDF, and this can be sent to quality assurance cell in Peshawar. Hope you have got an idea how to generate a summary of report. Thank you very much. So if you have any other query, you can always raise this query. Inshallah, I will design a short video tutorial and that will be shared.